Imo State. Imo State. Unu emegidere ife disaster nwa. Unu egbugo disaster just for nothing.
Here could watch it today. Ah, PM no gini. Our PM still there. We there. None the kind of day we there. We not go where. No go. We not go. We there with you now. On a too small. On a too small. On too small. Come on. On too small. On too small.
Boy, I took go your boy. You need a crab now. You panic. Even I could get a Robbie, met on the fire you there. In go mazi. In go mazi. In go mazi. She can have walk with the eye, so in a cool. You be you, but in Gabago. I keep upon it.
We should know, Keke. Your video na fly na Facebook. Iba bulonyi Igbo. Ne release audio within email odogu. Manana achọ odogu eji anụsọ ndị Boko Haram ọgụ. Ijiri ọgbagbo onye Boko Haram anọ ndị Igbo ka ịgbagbo na-ebo allegation. Mgbe m bido gwava Gentle bakpuo n'ime stop coming on social media. He obeyed that. Malebe ọ nọ na ama m na share.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Dix TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, location, and wherever you are watching us from. Today being the 25th day of August 2026, we, the team of Magnetic Dix TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, the kpaing of disaster is a serious blow to Biafran Liberation Army, to Eastern Security Network, because the guy is one of their strong guy, you know, he's one of their chief priests in the camp of ESN. And one thing that is already going on right now is people that eyed him are already boasting on social media platform, you know, boasting of how they cut off, you know, Amuya, Bepiamo, and the warrior ICD, Yotago, and that is not going down well to so many Igbos. They have come up to tackle those guys that eyed disaster. Now, watch the voice recorder of the guy that eyed disaster, how he was boasting in that video.
Biafra bobu kwegi dia. E kanana inyo ni ewo. Ta. Ge jakale ese wote, jakase je ni lo wote. Mbrega mo ge wore acid wo ge de lo ho wa. This is my son. I na gaga no go area. So onye ni dagbo no, we na agbo no na ha gwo ogwu. Mo do na agbo be di na agwo ho mmepe ho. My brother, unu makwa na agbo ogwu adi. Unu makwa no ya agbo ogwu. Ogwu na eju ogo aga. A na-atụ ogwu ụlọ igwụrụ ya arụ ọrụ, ị ga-atụ ogu na ya. A ga-enye gị ezigbo dibịa na-agwụrụ gị ọgwụ, ga-enye gị epeta ogirisi, nye gị osisi anọ gbasiri ike, sị gị tụọ ogu, gị tụcha ogu, ya aga, ya agwọla gị ọgwụ ahụ aga, gị tụọ ogu ya ga-aga, ọgwụ ma gịda arụ ọrụ, ọ gịda aga bikọs ngịnị aka ga-adịdị ọcha, bikọs ịgwọ ọgwụ nọ ọnda iji eme ngịnị emegide onye aka ya rịọ ọcha onye na-achọrọ gị okwu ji emebiso obodo gị. Kata isi na mmadụ mmadụ mere gị, gị na-achị ya kidnap nwanne gị, iji kidnap ya fireman n'olu, meke na-eme ya, why, what for? Eme gị na-abịa akpọrọ veji Biafra Chineke ga-enye anyị soon. Anyị na-ekpe ekpere gị na-abịa na-ata gị na ịwụ na ị na-eji adọ na ị na-achọ inwere onwe na Biafra ka na-adọ tọnda Biafra gbagbukwe gị dị a. Agwa m ozu unu niile a ga-elichi unu niile Biafra ụnụ agịna nọ mgbe Biafra ga ụnụ agịna nọ mgbe ụnụ ga-ivu mgbe ga-eselebreti ya ụnụ agịna n'uchichi ya emekarị generation n'ọnụ nwere ike mengịrị Ismail ya ma ọ wulite n'iche n'ọbụla ka ọbụla siri ego si na Biafra mmiri ka owuli ka oriri ihe tinye n'ọnụ ya ada agbasịgasị ka mgbe nwụọ Biafra ga-abịa. So unu ejizila ahụ Biafra na-edeti were this ugly something na-eje na-emebise Biafra's name. So onye gwara gị na atakwa iji ndụ na-eyi ihe na-agbụ ha na-achelenji ka ị gbaba egbegbuta anyị nwa ị na-achị gba egbegbuta anyị nwa, but what happened? Ịdana na agwara m ha niile ọtakụlụ ga na-ayakọ ihe mụ na ụlọ ujiwu mpịa gị ya kpai gị ya kaba gị ha jara eze n'elu ọtị n'ọtị ọ bụcha ihe m gwara gị. Ndị niile na-amakasị ọnụ ụnụ na ha ma ụnụ nwa bi n'ime ọhịa ma ndị otu ụnụ ndị fọmant ụnụ ọtị ka ozu ụnụ ga aja kaba ihe m gwara ụnụ etukwa ekwekwara ụnụ ihe nji ụnụ owu nne inye ụnụ ewu ta gị jakara eze ọtị jakasị eze n'elu ọtị natụla mbrega amụ gị were acid wụọ gị gị delu ahụ ụwa gị lụ ụwa gị gaba Cameroon Ghana gaga lu igide lu wala Nigeria ma fi lo we Biafra land igide Biafra Biafra land ngure ro ashiri wo gina hagini la ashin nko yotala so nwata si na gide na nne na nyagide hin oriko ne hin wona so atro mo ka nwa kwa nwa ka jiri ba nwa okoko yotala atro nko uno he one by one wa gra mi oni one by one whereby no to give up eburu so no opedie I get Patreon. This Esmasa, I naga no go area. Onye si na ma ndị format ụlọ no go area. Kia wo ana eme emekọta mimi ni ihe niile ana eme ha mimi na aga. No cause for allowed, no time. We don't drone.
And also, these men or these guys here has tackled the guy called Uchenna Okeke, saying that why is he bragging of buying his own brother disaster, tagging him terrorists, that it is not supposed to be so.
Uchenna Okeke, your video na fly na Facebook. Ịgbagbulu onye Igbo na-release audio ụdị n'ime odogwu. Mana a na-achọ odogwu eji anụso ndị Boko Haram ọgụ. Ijiri gbagbu onye Boko Haram anọ ndị Igbo ka ịgbagbu na-ebo allegation. Awa na-ele kidin bajibolo kidnappers. But the real kidnappers na a na-achọ ndị eji anụso ndị avọ ọgụ. Ndị n'Igbo odogwu rine ijiri eji anụso ndị Boko Haram ọgụ. Mana ị na-enyere ndị Nigeria aka na-egbu ụmụazị Igbo to silent the resistance fighters ndị na-achọpụ Fulani n'ala Igbo. Uchenna Okeke, I personally will come for you. Any day make the poor mother on air, but let that person may go issue. When be the cover gentle, but won't stop coming on social media. He obeyed that. Malebo nona, ama mona share. Mangimi Kenga. If I age your phone, now but the mastermind of if any na again with Soludo, none of you are free. Okuna Caribbean yard over. Uchenna Okeke, imego onwe an enemy of ndị Igbo. Ana m anụ ka ị na-akọ ya eli n'Igbo onye Biafra. Biafra gbuo gị ebe ahụ. Igbo onye Biafra ma gị nọ na Nigeria. Ejide ndị Boko Haram gbugoro more than 100 people. The government will integrate them into the military. Ama agbagbue. Ma gị jide onye Igbo gbagbuo. Isi na ọ bụ terrorists. Oji elekere. What proof? Post na Telegram kwa nene na opere put na koyeli na social media now condemning our people when they haven't done anything wrong. You call them criminals, you call them kidnappers without proof. While the Fulanis are kidnapping, killing, you can't go and catch them. The Nigerian government cannot employ you to go and catch the Boko Harams, but you are here killing your own brothers. Why can't the same government who is employing and helping the terrorists to move frequently in Nigeria? Why can't them also do the same thing to those your brothers you are killing? Hang him over to the terrorist government. Let them also reintegrate those people. If you are genuine, or if you are evil. And for the fact that the evil, I are going on into the system before you. I am going to be intelligent. They'll probably pick a matter out without you knowing that I allocate to go and pay me anything you do, your activities. I will prove that to you. If I'm a fool's guy, yes, you know what I know. Eventually,
Imo State. We never get the disaster. We never go disaster. Just for nothing. Kocha. We never go disaster. I'm seeing what is happening now. I'm watching everything. Gentle Yahoo and Jamaica. triple general onye mara li ajụjụ onwe onye bụ na aka dị n'aka ife mmelu disaster 1 month ka nye debere gị ọ bụrụ ya gbukwu njibọgbu ya eje gbogbu onye ahụ ọ bụrụ ọgwụkwụrụ ya eje ogbugbu onye ahụ ọ bụrụ egbukụrụ gbara disaster a ga-eji egbogbu onye bụ na aka dị n'ife soro ya egbu disaster n'Imo steeti a sị gị 1 month ka nye debere gị you go down. Disaster is a free fighter. Disaster is a free fighter. I know that much very well.
Now, the guerrilla warfare is still going on in Biafran land. You can see the Nigerian military, how they are still bombing the ESN or the men on ground. And the men on ground know they shake. They know green shake or more. Then they shout now water that they dey ground. Now obona ha fecha nenu na ha barata na kana ha na ha kwato ya. You know what I go? So again, watch here this video careful how the men on ground we are defending themselves.
Ya papa! Ya papa! They be detained too. Ya papa! Ta! Na water! Na water! Ta! Na water! Na water, sir! Na water! Come on! Na water ka nagbaga! Wala daw! Wala richi! Smart out! Wala richi! Ya papa! Ya papa! Wala richi! Smart time go teach you how to do am. Smart time go teach you now. Smart time, eh? This is now what we can do, eh? We go teach you now. Ola papa! Ola papa! Wala daw! Kaya wasa! Wala daw! Ya papa! Ta! Ya mama toto! Come on! Sumpam dia also! Sumpam! We there get back! Check it all day! We there get back! Oblet na water! Na AC o! Na AC wey be na AC! I don't reach o! I don't reach 200 and Nigerian soldier! No reach 5 ESM! I don't reach it! Ona don't reach it! If say ripetala la. Ija uhu. Ngete. Ola za Udele kala baga. Ngete. Forget iye ku mo chiri all today. Ah? PM no gini. Our PM still there. We there. None cannot there. We there. We no go where. No go. We no go. We there with you now. Ona too small. Not too small. Come on. Not too small. How can we see? Una no go area. You are better than reach. Forget to. Una know na. Una know so. You know the enter. Now water so. Ta. Una water. Una de who? Buto ni. Unangu na abia. Unangu na abia. Buto na ma agbe. Aya go no die n'aka. Ogo ato. This war, Ingo sweet between you and also Nigerian government, between you and Biafran government. Ingo sweet. Small time from now to next week. Ingo sweet. Don't fire you.
So Biafrans, Udele is also saying that this guy called Agujegbe na kowa that na Udele na kowa that na this guy anakpo Agujegbe na before December na oga akpai this guy anakpo Agujegbe ma obo na the guy shiro ni mo here puta. Now I don't know why all these things are happening. Is Udele pinpointing all these guys and buying them one after the other or what? Now wow.
Oku Kpai anakpo siafia bi ijele. Cause siafia bu Udele. When talking back your days is number. We will catch you. We will catch you alive.
I'm going to catch you there, Ben.
nwa mgbere nke akwa na ọcha ndị ka na-ekwuchakwa n'okwu akwa na egwu ọbụla chikwa n'ebe osi. You know, I don't know when they did this video to be that, and I don't even know if this one is still alive. But if this one never come out for that bush, tell am say me I say, if you no come out that bush from now till December, say they go carry him dead body.
This thing is getting out of hands in Igbo land. And you can see the guy replied Udele. He what Udele told him.
Boy, I told go your boy. You need a crab now, you panic. Even I could get a ruby, met on the fire you there. In go mazi. In go mazi. In go mazi. She can walk with the eyes, so in a cool, you be you panic.
So, Biafrans, now you see our brother Justice here made a very significant point, or I don't know how to put it. He just made it known to us or to so many people why many guys want to join Biafra Liberation Army or ESN, irrespective of the death that is going on in that camp at the moment. Yet guys still want to join them. Listen to our brother Justice here. He will explain to you why so many people still want to join ESN.
Okay, greetings my people. My name is still Justice Ozobi. I'm like can say here Igbo because ihe gbasara anyị ihe gbasara anyị bụ ụmụazị Igbo. Nke mbụ bụ that na ọ nwere ihe nchọrọ ịkọwala ụmụazị Igbo. Imana recently ọ bịa dịka mụ bụ Justice Ozobi and passport on government and passport ESN and passport Nandeka and passport IPOB and passport ESN imago support ka nkụ onye ọbụla na-eche ka uche esi wegbu ya against me. Mana get into ọfụma, get into. I have said it before and I'm still saying it again. Until the government make a peace with the people, there will be no peace. Let me tell you my little experience somewhere. When we did the Igbo youth movement, a lot of the youths started coming to me. Most of them started coming to me like they will chat to you. See someone or chat like say Nyacheba, Biafran Army, Biafra Liberation Army. I say Abiko, no come contact Ejabia, a man case Abanyawa be a Biko. Gahaga. Another mother chat like naturally but unknown government. A junior or woman at DSS can come for him for this was any actually. Ha. Sibiko ne kwa na mu ne kwa bum na Adria Biko porum. Gahaga. You will see someone or chat, hey, going different things. Even as I speak to you, when they knock at a way when I'm Kemu and what Sinatra Solutum, Nachi Jack have for mama security and everything, watch Fanket, Hamarakas, which he may one Hajeme, man, I let no one call my name. Manon, we check one will fight country Korogi. And with one guy, every time or chat, I'm naturally by ESN, naturally bonungo men, I can't catch a riba, or some nungo men, naturally cabo, half undani, Hawa. Mwesi okay give ya na ma taking on nungo men, give of ma. Osmo okay, Niana be with 4 friends here, which means had 5. See okay. See okay, na bo ato onicha. Cherem no onicha, keba ya no fu. And a book appointments na Mr. Beast. Nilu Mr. Beast never ya no fu. So olu that day, mona fa kwesi on Sunday, obona menwere for Monday, mpoze fa na fu mona fa mechefu. On Monday, before mbia, Hezugo had the mother 5. Hezugo. I gathered them because I want to know if na prompt mad. When we have in our form, CS nature region, I want to know what is giving them such morale. I want to know what ideology they have and I don't have. That's what is giving them mind. I want to know. When we got a mother 5, I was saying because now more justice. They were like, hey, justice and all that. They were happy. I just the process. Kpai is baton non government and all that. And you go to Fakiana, because Nyano Buga, because on the main market, because of Afetaya Conele Magon. Very 5 vibrant young men. You see them. I look at them. Do you know that the Nigerian government can come for you? They buy Biafran and mobile ESN, mobile non government. DSS can come for you and they can track you and kill you. Or some yes, Nyama, and he's ready to die. Nah, I will you warm now. And see because of Biafra. Also not even because of Biafra. Mokia Koromi. Ngwagabenti of ma. Kefun duki wed in the mad nobi. Also now 2011. Okay, yadi about 20 years then. SARS biala befa Olympia. SARS can na wago je befa Olympia. His uncle went to SARS Ijeberu 1 year okay. SARS jide konyo osim up to today onwere ma ha dendo ha nwura. Ha meches meberi ampa ha be SARS da na ya no block kwa jimpa. Onye had the show na ha bia SARS. Also na SARS warrior on Tuesday, ha bia on Wednesday. SARS property ha na ha pacha, but on Friday 1 year okay bia. Ha buruko 1 year okay ha no ha na chite next Monday. SARS na Wednesday na half London. Each time the guy cheteria and he wants somebody an opportunity or you bolobo. Obolo ma ine ki emi eduwe nwandi abi meye ha cho enemies ijuwe bo wala gogo obo man kan buy sasia. They would like to retaliate ya himerfa. And so now the reason ijuwe chiba osim yes ni ya na me no boda na bu ya nyamiri ni the lady to die only ku ebe ba kwanse an nose goes go Chineke me koda ma bo so mo na mad 5 ano so yen kozo gini me gwa na ogi juwe chiba Osimo si no nwelo not just na ya na emu mazi Igbo go too much na nyanwa chori ime nka men cause say okay because of ya na emu mazi Igbo go too much ki you actually sacrifice him dege Osimo si ki akorom na fi ihe nda mi merie na 2014 ihe na ngwa gị na eme this year 2026 osi na fi ihe nda mi merie no bulu ye jo na akọ na nwokwu ya mere ya na gafe n'ụzọ ọbụna nda mi o nwere operation ha bịa ọbụna ya na zako that is it nda mi naria phone ye tiche ihe buri eje barak buwe canopy onoro osi ya no complete 1 month for ndebe ha amarele ya no na barak e bia belu o de ka security we pita so no na achọkwa na opportunity oju obugwala ndo obo if mentality ihe change the mindset of people gebe kwanti the third person seven that now ndami biara befa na 2024 cause not 2025 amarom sin ha na true unknown government and all that but ha sui before no na enwe gbomia up to that mo le pekari o that is lady ono bona gbomia ni the lady ebobolo obo obo madu na to if mentality ye patara nda and ha na ese jebro friends you can imagine the kind of anger the nimenda the 51 be gwaram sim that na during time of operation python dance now uncle ya so wejebe meet na nke na mbekam one year nwoke get ori so joku the same meeting sim na hana bụ ebunatara ha n'ozu for that reason nyanwa no we the lady to fight Nigeria no bụ no swede him no we hu na bụ na onye ndị bai na aghọtaro maka ndị na-ekwu okwu onongomen gent onongomen agaghị ejiwu ike aka we stop onongomen. You can imagine those people the lady join onongomen. Do you know what happened? We say okay na mu eju we contact contact ayi eju form on eju by onongomen or by ESM or by Biafra Liberation Army amaram kunu yesu has let us form our own. What? Let us form our own. They are ready to kill Nigerians. Ono police mo buy me half mo bonye nche Nigeria na have ready the person. More away for the anger in them. I started preaching to them. The first person can ever go never. Obebe wala am check ebe won kene ba ko won han kifiche si anya sem no problem. Nde ba anyi sina ibu egwu ejebe osadobe gine ke ya akọ. Ihe kpatara oju edika Nnamdi Kanu nna san Nnamdi Kanu brainwash ndị mmadụ o brainwash anybody. Ihe kpatara oju edika Nnamdi Kanu brainwash ndị mmadụ bụ already accumulated anger in them. Ha na-achọ an opportunity who will lead the floor oye ndị mmadụ chọ. Who will lead the floor? Ọ bụrụ that na ibe rich man jide ego onwere mmadụ ya gwakọta gị maka prosperity ki get you can never ihe dịka Davido na asị from Adeleke family amara ya bụ prosperity ọmọrọ na na-ekpe prosperity n'ekpere gịnị ka ihe agwụ ya na ọya nweta ọ na-enwetebụrụ ka ebe ya sị na ọya ejo na-ejebụrụ therefore o nwere ahụ that thing o nidere enu and that thing mbọsọ ọbụla inweta henere ihe ahụ o nidere enu Davido will listen to you o na ahụ ka ụwa dị. Those people feel Nnamdi Kanu brainwash, have brainwashing called brainwash. Those people bundi will go anger, bundi will go pains in them, accumulated by government, caused by the government. Anom youth and so carry so many of you know Budo Ibo, no Europe, nebu no. Now born chanta can listen at drum online. Now cost us on can dala na pari. Anom Igbo land, Anom southeast, Anom pari southeast. I'm major from state to state. Anom for the anger in youth. No more personal. If I want, I can create an own government income. Do you know? Do you know if I want to commit a crime, I can also create my own group? Do you know? How possible is that? Because now when people already having such mindset, there are people already ready to die because of Yemen and Nigeria. Because of Yemen and Nigeria. then you think that the best, easiest solution is to start killing them. Currently in Igbo land, I want any police can do. Hey, I want to what they call it, Tiger Base. A commandant that Tiger Base, I just said to run bail. Bail is going to 500,000. A commandant ordinary officer caution yourself, stop this. Now, one crime in that community, just now they were arrested as a suspect. Now you for that reason, no 500,000 kg bob. After all said and done, a major 100,000 bob and down. For now, the family when they go out of fear. No quick buonia. According to them, now they wouldn't want a Tiger Base. Who judge there? Watch on come back a based on Mapo Tiger Base, Imagorumana High Wogo Exchange of West. Hana is 100,000 half line, a catch case. It broke a jacket of Joko Nekita. Key evidence, JJ. Let's assume those boys took 100,000, how much 500,000. How do you take a half a Tiger Base police man or military in high energy? Or the high energy buche? Berenda. The anger in those youth have an opportunity to destroy anything, they will do it. Oh, no, as if Nuna Marianaga. What we're supposed to do, now. Let us find solution. How are we going to stop this insecurity? That is the first question. And how we are going to do it is this. An advocate, I'm one of them. I can volunteer myself. Those youth on how many of our youth make you yes and make you Biafra-related army? Most of them add 1,000 youth in Igbo. 997 Kachwari join the Biafran army. They still want to join Onongo men. If you don't know, you don't win conflict with conflict. You want to sell soon. You are a human being, for crying out loud. You want a woman bend the ban, you know. I am very that's yeah in nature. I did yeah in nature. Simple solution, simple fact. And how many of them kill? And when I have accumulated angers, I speak to you. Police can arise angers in the mud now southeast. Come and verify by yourself. They can go see you or job on the police now. Or the other on the banyama. Or the other those you to ma. One day we go Nika, one day we go one Hawaii. Ndami Biarani, but one girl. Now Zaria Kahabuga the girl. A lady of force or blue Muslim on anybody and anti-Chiriki. On even on a family of that girl. If the family of that girl can see an opportunity to assassinate any military governor, they will do it. On Emaro. Why are you provoking my people? How art is yes now? On criminality. Oh, Bonyoshi, when they get down the canon. Gini can walk big check at a bunia on him on a nature chan, Hablo de Ketcheria. You're children of Madicher, we bunia, we abule de Cocheria. There are an accumulated anger in our people, and we need to calm them down. Nobody here, women, or body here, military, and I don't know on the Margina Suyoko, and what here, GM, for crying out loud. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Now the guy cannot convince anybody. Name will blow such a mindset already. Only no now you know mindset of killing the Nigerian military or something like that. What will you hear now? In Obodo, in Europe, in America, or Basarogi, here in the corner, you never figure finance because you witness very for one day. Obune Bugo Magi, Bunje or Buomagi, how Igbos na Eburo zones of the Kebukunku. You could have known how painful it is. Imano Duka pain those people are feeling. Imano how painful they are. Let us come back now. Let us come back to Southeast. Marihaim Rebani. To bend you time. Let Nigerian government run that biko. Okay, about atrocities are committed in Samuraga. Can the bike card be to that? I for could not commit colony. Our youth, Furu Kanko. Ndekele kid in Hakanko. Ndeke we know Hammer Kanko. And they're here talking about Onongo men. How go Onongo men? How go to reason better those Onongo men? How can the youth decide if anymore? Take a youth yes, we decide a breeze anymore. You go with your beauty more. You know, within a village for 24 hours. Money for your catalog, you bring more. You know what transpired? Getting change in the mentality. Why is this guy or this woman or this person doing this? Of course, you're an African person. Each abro your business. You change as a human being. Because if a black man and don't begin the black.
Our brother here is talking about the freedom of Biafra, that the freedom is already at hand. Listen to him to hear what he said.
So, my people, if you are following me in this particular platform,
You get waiting at they always talk in this particular platform. And that thing they say, you see this 2027. This, I tell you, say this 2026 and 2027 we determine if we will leave Nigeria or not. And they get another thing when they are always talking this particular platform, and they always tell us say this 2027 election that is coming, it may not happen. You understand? This 2027 election that is coming, it may not happen. My brother, make I tell you something. You see this move of regional government that Ohaleze Ndigbo and other region is pushing like this now. It will not, you see, it will not end in that regional government. What is coming is disintegration. You see this thing where they linger like this now. Don't calm down. I will bring the video. I will bring the reason why I will bring the video is for you to watch and understand. Say no be small matter. If you see how these people they drag them, if you see how they drag them, no be small drag, go, no be small drag. 2027 election may not happen. And I have told all of you, if you are following me here, go know sir, they always talk. 2026 and 2027, we determined if we will remain in Nigeria or not. I don't talk since. So, waiting happened recently. We tell you that it is over. It is over. We are going. Whether they later ratify to make sure say, whether they later ratify to divide Nigeria or to go for regional government, which I know that regional government is not the option. The only option is to divide the country, and that is what we want: total disintegration. Put it in knife, then everybody will go. You understand? So if you are Niger Delta, you won't go, no problem. Nobody is dragging that with you. But you see that our Igbo brothers, that even indicating, they are all indicating in that conference hall that they are Igbos. They are not going with Ijo. You understand? So all those of our brothers, then they drag and say they are not going with Ijo. They are going with all this one, all this one that is suffering from identity crisis, that don't know anything. We are not Igbo, we are not Igbo. But the answer Igbo culture, everything about you is Igbo. And answer, who cares? Nobody cares if you want to become Igbo or not. But Ogaranya Malife, no law. And those Ogaranya Malife, all those elderly people now, they don't come out. Don't they tell una say, make una forget them una Igbo. Share this video.
Nonso Nkwa here is talking about all the Igbos that are being held in captivity in so many camps or so many barracks or so many prisons in Nigeria just because they are Igbo. And Nonso Nkwa is calling for their release. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.
The case of this lady is also the case of many Igbo youths. Ndami Brule, DSS Brule, Police Brule, between 2020 and Amecha and SARS and 2023. Between 2020 and the end of 2023, a whole lot of Igbo youths were missing. Till today, I hope many of them. Till today, I hope many of them. Nigerian government and the security agencies profile Igbo youths as ESN and IPOB. They don't care. They don't care whether you are not or you are. Once you won Igbo, you won Korobian Ali Igbo. Between that 2020 or 2023, even now, once I heard as far as he won Igbo, he won IPOB, he won ESN. This was how they profiled Igbo youths. And until today, hundreds of Igbo youths are still missing. Igbo
Here this young lady ji pụta na kwa no nwere onye gara there. Enwetatu nwa picture ya ye likie. Amara na ebe this guy. This lady no nga now. Echefuolie na their community. Echefuolie na their family. In fact, ebe ne burial ya. Until picture ya pụta. No na awa barak. Ebe ndị army dumpuru ndị Igbo. Na awa barracks, Niger State. Ebe ahụ ka many of Igbo use no. Igbo use epic from the streets. Igbo use agbakọrọ ụlọ ha jeburu. Igbo use no na-ere ahịa eburu ha. Igbo use no na maybe no na meeting. Abịa kpọkọrọ ha si na ha mege meeting IPOB. That was how they profiled Igbo youths. Many of them are languishing in Wawa barracks. A few months ago, na Kuje prison. You know, they sent her to court. She's in a court to Kuje prison. Ndedika barrister job for her. You know, Nemeke job for barrister Fanny job for her. Nda wunde nona agaralando olipe. We put a photo, those young men. I know how many calls I received from their parents begging me na ha chore home ha. Begging me na ha hono ha na picture. Na asino mu ha no na Kuje, asino mu ha na ebutere ha na court. You know? And I know how I had to call Barrister Joffo, say biko check here mandia osonande no na Kuje prison. You know? Many of our young men have languished, have died in the hands of Inde Security, Nigeria. Because na ha wundibo. Because na ha wundibo. Now look at this young lady. Near one of thousands of cases. Such a thing in them. Thousands of cases, such a thing in them. Oh, where the hell by Nande army was parading the street of Bronu, parading the street of Sokoto, profiling the youths of Sokoto or profiling the youths of Bronu as Boko Haram members. Anyanubeye. Anyanube. Nande army, we are parading the streets of River State, the streets of Bayelsa, you know, the streets of Delta, you know, arresting the youths of those areas, you know, tagging them, militants. Anyanubeye. It is only in Alibo, Kegano, Nage Jidenwa youth, Boye Bubo, no one IPOB. Sosan Alibo, Kegania. And when Boziga Noya, Sosan Alibo Koneme. But thank God. Thank God. Digide. As they are profiling us. As in the IPOB and the ES, because that is the only thing they can do to arrest any Igbo youth. Profile him. Tag him IPOB. Tag him ESN. Then pick him up. Ogola. But okika abịama na alụrụ anyị ọgụ ga-aga n'ihu na alụrụ anyị ọgụ. Okika abịama na alụrụ ndị Igbo ọgụ will continue to fight for ndị Igbo. This lady Anoda here now. Thank God there is an outcry. We are watching. We are following up. An update. Ganade. A lot of our youths are dying somewhere in secret hold up, in secret detention, where they have detained them for years. Many of them have died. Many are about to die. Bring out these people. Send them to court. No. I'm going to see how in the IPOB. Why not, if they are IPOB members, why not take them to court so that the court will jail them? Why are you holding them in communicado? Why are you holding them secretly? Why are you detaining them secretly? If you do not have anything at the back of your mind, if it is not to exterminate the youthful, this thing of Ndibo. Why are you people detaining Ndibo? Why are you detaining the young men from Alibo? Why are you holding them secretly? Why? It's a big question you people should answer. Nigerian security agencies. Why are you holding Igbo people secretly, Igbo youths secretly, without taking them to court and allowing the court to run its full justice on them? If they are IPOB members or ESM members and they have committed one or two, allow the court to do their job. And you are holding them secretly and they are dying in your hands. All of you will receive the measure you are giving
to Igbo youths, you will receive it 100-fold. The measures you are giving to Igbo youths, profiling them, IPOB and ESN, you will receive, your family will receive it. Even after you are dead, your family will continue to receive it. The measure you give is the measure you are going to receive. Ekucham.